What's up, folks? Good afternoon. I'm here with our famous author Anirban Das with his new book. Are you kidding me?
Thank you.
Whoa, this is Book Talk with Shrishti. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you very much.
How did you come up with Are You Kidding Me as the title?
I can assure you this was not a spontaneous title. In
Oh.
fact, the original title which I had penned for the book was Came, Saw, Struggling to Conquer, which actually was an adaptation from Julius Caesar's famous quote.
Yes.
But then my editor at Shrishti, her name is Tuti, and due credit to her, she felt that the title was a little too convoluted. So in fact, we thought of at least 50 to 60 other options before we could come out with this title, Are You Kidding Me? Which makes sense, which we felt in consensus makes an instant connect with the reader.
So I was just going through your book, and you've written a lot. Like, as you keep mentioning, there are a lot of technicalities in the book. There are a lot of startup, and now that you're in Bangalore, this is a startup hub. So
Right.
there are a lot of startup companies that come around, and there's a lot about marketing and other things.
Right.
So how do you inculcate this as a humor fact in your book?
Well, it's not about, the book is not about startups, the book is not about any specific, in fact, the stories are very diverse. What I've tried to do is that make the stories very relatable. So,
True.
it could be, it's just the startup is one of the stories, but somewhere, and someplace, somebody would be able to identify with the context. And that's why the stories become relatable. And the humor element is critical because humor is something which the readers can then immediately, the stories click in their
True.
minds. So,
That's all about it. As you mentioned, this technical part is a part of the story. So this is a collection of short stories that our author has provided us with this wonderful book. So would you like to tell me about this collection of short stories? How did this idea ignite, and how did you write a collection of short stories?
well, actually, this happens to be my third book, although it's the second book that got published. So
Okay.
it was during the writing of the first book, Just Kidding, Yours Destiny, which incidentally is about a humorous love story, completely different from this book.
True.
That there were times during writing the first book when I had, the proverbial writer's block. There were times which were very frustrating. I felt like tearing my hair out, or nothing occurred to me. To take a break, yeah, absolutely. To take a break, I thought let me write short stories. It was something new that I had not done before. I wrote one story, a second story, and before I knew it took me 3 years. I really enjoyed writing the genre. So I had completed writing multiple stories. So I boiled down, after filtering out, I boiled down the 13 which appealed to me the most. But that's how Are You Kidding Me was born. I had actually written a book called, and it's still yet to be published, called Just Kidding, Yours Destiny 2, which is a thematic sequel to my first.
Okay, so basically we do have a continuous version of Kunal and Shrishti, which will be coming up.
Not necessarily, it's a thematic
Oh,
version. So
but
it's
the
something that you need to look out for.
Definitely, we'll be waiting for that. Now, coming back to Are You Kidding Me? Is there any element of horror that we have to look about in this book? Because when I read your index, there you've specifically given us the 13 different
Correct.
stories, and there is a kind of a two-line introduction to each of the stories.
Correct.
So I don't want to give a lot of spoilers, but then it's just a little edge of curiosity. Is there any sense of horror that you want to inculcate through humor through your books?
Well, they say like 13 lucky for some, unlucky for some. But this 13 is humorous for everybody. And by the way, I don't like reading horror genre. So
Okay.
horror is not part of my books, either reading or writing. So 13 is just a coincident number. It's a story. It's a number that I have. So, but and it's an edgy number. 12 is boring. 14 is boring. 13 is edgy.
So this is to all our readers. You can, with no fear, take up this book, go under your blankets with the headlights on, and you can just do your work. So 13 different stories. I do not want to give out the number of characters. That will be a spoiler. Which is your favorite character among the list? Like the whole lot.
if you ask a mother, which is your favorite child,
I knew this was coming up.
the mother will
I knew
probably
this
say
was
that she
coming
loves
up.
all her children dearly.
True.
I will say the same,
Uh-huh.
but then again I think that in a heart of hearts a mother will always like one child to be a bit more.
Yeah.
So if you look at the 13 stories, the one story that probably this stands a little more is Goodbye Yadav. And let me tell you
Okay.
why. Because this story is 100% fiction. And if you look at the format of the story, it's completely different from the other 12 stories.
True, very
so
true.
that story is a little more dear to me as compared to the other 12.
Yeah, I did like the style of writing that
Yeah.
you have taken about in these stories.
Right.
Well, if you have to know what this Yadav is all about and what all the 12 other stories hold, you do not have to miss one thing: reading. Are you kidding me? Am I right?
Absolutely. And I'm not kidding you.
So, what is this one takeaway you want to give our readers with Are You Kidding Me?
Well, I'll give two.
Okay.
The first one is one complimentary.
Okay.
First is life में थोड़ी सी humor हो जाए. And secondly is that when you're looking at the cover, please don't keep looking. Buy it and read it.
You guys should do that. So, as our author has been telling us, 13 stories, varied characters, and unique style of writing in each and every story. Look forward to what it is only through Are You Kidding Me? What are you guys waiting for? You have it online, you have it offline, and here we have our author giving us a little glimpse of what is there in the book. This is Book Talk with Shrishti, and from our author to all of you, are you kidding me? Go for it, guys. Have fun reading the book.